on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, Bistro family? Now today we're going to make some amazing Tanghulu. So the first thing I'm going to do is get you some fruit and dry them completely. I got some strawberries, some kiwis, and some golden kiwis. And make sure you dry those completely. You don't want these things to be wet at all. So I keep mine under paper towels just to keep them dry. All right, set your fruit aside. We're going to go ahead and set up our Tanghulu mixture. So we got 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. So 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water. You're going to bring that to a boil and just let it go like you kind of creating caramel until it gets to the crack stage. All right, so while that's boiling, we're going to go ahead and skewer our fruit. Like I said, make sure you keep that fruit dry. So even after skewering, you'll see me place the paper towels back onto the fruit because I want this stuff to remain dry, because that's the only way that sugar will adhere to the fruit, especially with a high water content in fruit like these I'm using here. So keep them under a paper towel just to keep them dry. All right, once dry, once under paper towel, you go ahead and set up your ice bath, because you're gonna pop your Tanghulu directly in the ice bath after you dip it in the sugar. So go ahead and get your ice bath ready, and I'm just swirling it. You know how we do it. You swirl it, you get it cold quicker. I don't know if that's true or not, but I always did that my whole life. But yeah, go ahead and get your ice bath ready, and your sugar, when it's ready, it should turn an auburn color. If you don't have a candy thermometer like I don't have, just look out for that auburn color, and that's when you'll know it's ready. Or you could place a skewer in there and then pop it directly into the water like this, and if it forms sugar crystals around it and it cracks when you bite it, then it's ready. But like that's not ready, it was too thin. And when it get ready, you'll see it start to thicken up a little bit. But yeah, go ahead and dunk that fruit directly in that sugar mixture when it's ready, and straight from that sugar mixture directly into the ice bath. Do not touch this sugar. This stuff is like 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll burn you. So do not touch the hot sugar. But this kind of like a candy apple recipe, but it's traditional to China. This is a China delicacy or a China snack, where they take fresh fruit and dunk it into this sugar mixture, and when you bite into it, it's almost like glass. It just cracks. But yeah, that is the recipe for Tanghulu. This is a simple recipe. If you don't want yours to look as clumpy as mine, just do 1 dunk. But you seen when I put mine in the mixture, I kind of swirled it a little bit because I wanted a good coating on the outside. But they look cleaner if you just dunk them 1 time. But yeah, there you have it, man. The most amazing Tanghulu from the Bistro. Very simple recipe. I thought it would be something cool to throw out there before we get to Halloween. So, and like I said, it's a China dish. So yeah, thank you guys for checking this video out. The most amazing Tanghulu from the Bistro. Like I said, if you don't want yours to look as clumpy as mine, just dunk it once. But man, these are awesome, especially the regular kiwis. But there you have it, man. The most amazing Tanghulu from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tanghulu, I'm out.